In this guide, I'll show you how to play PS5 digital games offline, so if you ever lose access to your internet, you'll still be able to play your games purchased from the PlayStation Store. So, in order to do this, it has to be proactive, meaning that you've done it before you actually lose access to the internet. And what you want to do is go to settings on your PS5, and then you want to go to users and accounts. And from here, you want to scroll down to other and go to console sharing and offline play. Now, you want to enable console sharing and offline play on your main PSN account because that's where you'll likely have downloaded a lot of your games. So, once this is enabled, you can go back. And if I were to go to network on my PS5 and go to settings and disconnect from the internet, I'll still be able to play all of my games. Now, if you just wanted to appear offline so that people couldn't message you or whatever have you can do that when you're connected to the internet by selecting your profile picture in the top right corner and changing your online status to offline. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.